Let's take a moment and look at the system settings on the DEH-X7500S. So we'll press in on the volume control and turn until we find our system settings and press enter. Here we can adjust the calendar and the clock. For more detailed information on adjusting the calendar and clock, check out the clock video. We'll turn over to our engine time alert. We can switch this from 15 minutes to 30 minutes or switch the engine time alert off, and that's just a basic timer. Next is our music browser. Right now, music browser is turned on. We can also turn that off. And for more information on the music browser, take a look at the music browser video. Next is our warning tone. So when we turn the car off, the radio will beep to remind you to take the face of the radio with you. You can turn that warning tone on or off. And we'll scroll over to the next one, which is right now our auxiliary is on in our source list. We can switch auxiliary off, which would take auxiliary out of the source list when you press the source button over here. But I like to have auxiliary on my system. And we'll turn over to our dimmer. When you have the DEH-X7500S installed, it can be hooked up to the vehicle's headlights. And when I switch the vehicle headlights on, the brightness on the radio can dim as well. And we can use that to switch the dimmer on or off. Next is our contrast adjustment, where we can adjust the contrast on the screen right here. We can use the lever control to adjust up or down on the contrast to make it a little easier to see from the driver position. And we'll go back there. Everscroll will show you MP3 ID tag information, and it will continuously scroll across the screen. You can turn Everscroll on or off. Next is our language select. We have a number of different languages to choose from. For right now, I'm going to stick with English. And we're back around to our calendar.